Hey, what's up guys? Honor Play 3 is the second new phone that the brand unveiled recently, which is the successor of successful Honor Play smartphone. It is an entry-level device with a great triple rear camera and powerful hardware. Coming to its triple rear camera, the 48MP sensor with an aperture of f1.8 is joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with 120-degree field of view. The third module is a depth sensor and a punch-hole selfie camera that packs a 8MP sensor. So it has got a display of 6.39 inch, which is an IPS LCD display with HD plus resolution. The screen is guarded by an unbranded scratch resistant glass. The official numbers claim 90% screen to body ratio, in part because Honor managed to reduce the size of the punch hole by 30% to 4.5 mm. Honor Play 3 is powered by the Kirin 710F chipset with the 4 Cortex A73 cores and 4 A53 plus a Mali GPU G51. The base configuration has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, but the options are strange. You can have a 6GB of RAM with a 64GB of storage or 4GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. Anyway, the phone has an 4000 mAh of battery with a 10-watt charging, which needs 2 hours 30 minutes to fill the battery completely. Unfortunately, the phone has a micro USB port, not the Type-C port. Honor claims that the phone is water resistant, though it only shows an IP5X rating. There are 3 color options, all of them with an interesting triangular pattern on the back. Honor Play 3 starts at the price of 1000 yuan, which is approximately $140 and 125 euros. Comes with a basic model of 4GB and 128GB internal storage. So this phone will be available for purchase online on September 17 onwards. So this is all about the Honor Play 3. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.